This story's title is Legendary Cakes, a story of Tet, the Vietnamese New Year, written by Kerisa Greene. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Spring is almost here and Tet is even closer, a celebration for the first morning of the first day of the new year. A day filled with good fortune, friends, family and food. A day to wear my ao yai, receive red envelopes and honor ancestors. Tonight is the night we've been waiting for, a night filled with celebrating, cooking and cuddles, a night to layer, fold and cook Banchung, an extra special night spent with Pa. With pajamas on and bags packed, we are ready for tonight. It's time to learn how to make the special celebration cakes. Cakes that are chewy, salty and sweet. We learn by sharing, trying and doing. First, we lay down 2 leaves crisscross like our legs. Leaves, rice, mung beans, pork and strings. Then we layer mung beans, pork and rice. Next, we pinch, roll and fold the leaves around the cake tight like a great big hug. Finally, we steam the cakes all through the night. We wait and wait, but our boredom grows and grows until Pa begins to tell us a story. The story of the legend of Banchung. Once upon a time, long ago, the Hung Emperor held a contest. He wanted to see which of his many sons could bring the most delicious dish to the Tet festival. The son with the dish that best honored the ancestors would win the throne. And so, the princes began their journey. They searched high and low for fancy eats. Some brothers foraged in the forest, while others sailed on the sea. Mountains were climbed and beaches were combed. They discovered the most delicious delicacies. But Prince Langleo, the youngest, poorest and humblest of them all, returned home. Home where his family farmed the countryside. Home where the land was golden and ripe for harvest. His family chopped, whacked and dried the rice. Together they ground mung beans, soaked rice and cooked pork. Together they layered and wrapped the cakes tight like a big, great hug. Spring was coming and it was time to present their dishes. Langleo's brothers presented extravagant dishes from their grand expeditions. Colorful roasted peacock, mouth-watering steamed fish and gigantic lobsters filled the table. Langleo's dish, though was humble, just 2 kinds of cakes. One square-shaped with layers like the earth, one round to honor the sky. The emperor tasted each dish. He savored every bite. He nibbled, chewed and gulped. After hours of tasty deliberation, he finally declared the winner. Langleo became the new emperor. Of all the dishes, his cakes best honored the ancestors. Shock and awe filled the room, then cheers of delight. Everyone celebrated their new ruler and a new tradition began. When Ba finishes the story, we yawn and cuddle and close our eyes for bed. We dream of emperors on thrones, tasty cakes and exciting exploration for fancy food. When we wake, it will be Tet, the first morning of the first day of the new year. When we wake, we will eat Banchung and welcome spring. We celebrate our culture with food and holidays. We share our heritage through stories and traditions. Someday, we will fold leaves around Banchung with the next generation, tight like a big, great hug. And now for the Banchung recipe. You would need 5½ cups of glutinous rice, 1½ cups of split yellow mung beans, 2 pounds of fresh or frozen banana leaves, and 2 pounds of pork belly. Night before, in separate bowls, soak rice and mung beans in water overnight. If your leaves are frozen, take them out to thaw overnight in the fridge. Before wrapping, drain the mung beans and rice. Clean and dry the leaves, boil mung beans, then reduce to a simmer and cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Mash and add salt. Slice pork belly into small rectangles. Mix and salt and pepper. Now for the assembly. Place 2 strings parallel and lay 2 leaves crisscross on top of them. Layer 1 scoop of rice, 1 scoop of mung beans, pieces of pork belly, mung bean and rice into a square. Now for wrapping. Fold the leaves around the filling in a square shape like a present. Tie the string around the cake, flip and tie another 2 strings. Now for boiling. Line a large pot with 1 or 2 pieces of leaves. Add cakes and fill the water to fully cover them. Bring the water to a boil and keep at a low moderate boil for about 10 hours. Make sure the cakes are fully submerged at all times, adding water as needed. Now for serving. Peel the leaves and cut the rice cakes into 8 triangles. Traditionally, this is done using the strings. Eat as is or fry slices until crispy and golden. And now enjoy. The end.
Thanks for watching. For more exciting read aloud stories, please subscribe to our channel Little Hearts Super Kids. Also follow us on Instagram for amazing updates.